Hello Divination and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to add a stylish preloader on your Divi website. This is the final result we're aiming to achieve. So without wasting a lot of time, let's dive in and let's get started. All right, so first things first, what you need to do is to first of all download this plugin from our marketplace. Now, at the moment, we have a Cyber Monday sale going on right now. So if you purchase this, it will be at a discount. All right, so I will leave a link to this post in the show notes below. So what you want to do now is to scroll down here where it says purchase this in the marketplace. So if I click here, this is going to take us to the marketplace and this is what we need to purchase. So there is a live demo, and if you take a look at the price here, it's only $9.75. Now, normally it's at $13, but because of the promotion that we're running right now, the Cyber Monday promotion, as you can see here, it has 20 days left. But of course, if you do miss the Cyber Monday, you can still get it for $13. But I would recommend that you get it now because there is a 25% discount. Okay, so once you've purchased this, you're going to get a download link. So this will download onto your computer. So I've already gone ahead and purchased it. So I've downloaded the plugin. So the next step now is to go to our website. All right, so I'm here now in my WordPress admin dashboard. So the next step now is to come over here to plugins and then click on add new. All right, so now we have the ability to upload this plugin onto our website. So I'm going to click here on upload plugin. Next, I'm just going to drag this plugin because like I said, it's already here on my computer in the downloads folder. So what I'm going to do now is to just drag it over here, just like that, and then click on install now. Or you can just click on choose file and navigate to where that file is on your local computer. Okay, so now that we've installed it, I'm going to click on activate. So this is now going to activate the plugin so that we can set it all up. All right, so now that it's activated, we're going to come all the way down here to Divi, and then we're going to click on theme options. So the theme options here, we're going to see an entry called DP Preloader. So this is where we need to go. So as you can see here, there are so many settings that we need to go through, and this is what we're going to do next. So first of all, we need to make sure that we enable it on our website. So this is where we just toggle this to enabled. So now we have this enabled on our website. Okay, so the next step now is to take a look at the image settings. Now, before we can go on to the image settings, if you wanted to specify which pages this preloader goes onto, this is where you can do this. So you can see here we have all the selected pages. So you can say, for example, you want to exclude it on a 404 page, you can just go ahead and exclude it that way. And also here, you can say hide preloader on mobile. So this could be an option that you may want to go with. And also display a preloader only on the home page can also be enabled, but ideally you want to have it throughout your website. Now, moving on, we also see here that we have preloader images. So we have quite a few images here to choose from, which is really, really cool. So you can go ahead and choose whatever image that you want to go with. So I'm going to choose this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and select it like that. Next, I'm going to scroll down here. Now, there's also further customizations that you can do here. And this is to adjust the sizes. And also, if you have a preloader custom image, you can also do that here. But of course, we're going to keep things very simple here. We're just going to choose our default one here. And then the next step now is to make sure that we add our colors. Now, the ideal situation here is to add colors that match your branding. So I'm going to go ahead and add my preloader color, and I'm just going to paste it in here like that. Okay, next I'm going to add my background color. So I would like my background color here to be white. So I'm going to leave it like that. Now we also have animation settings here. So what we're going to do here is to change the effects, and we prefer slide up here. And also we're going to change this to slow. And in regards to the time delay, let's set it to 2350. And pretty much that's all I need to do here. So now I can go ahead and save this, and then we're going to take a look and see what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to hit save changes. All right, great. So what we're going to do now is to go to a page on our website and see what this is going to look like. So I'm going to click here on visit site, and let's have a look if this is working. There we go. So you can see there the preloader is working. and boom, our page shows up. So this is how we set it up. Now, as I mentioned before, you can go in and adjust your colors. And if at any point you want to change the animation itself, you can always go in and change this animation. It's very, very easy to use. And like I mentioned, it has a 25% discount right now in the marketplace. But of course, if you do miss the offer, you can always get it at the full price. But this is a nice addition to your website. And to be honest, I think this looks really, really nice. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do follow us on our social media platforms. By doing so, you'll be notified every time we release new tutorials. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.